So if you did accidentally turn on and accept the terms for the new feature that was released by RedotPay, which is the credit feature, which now RedotPay will work as a credit card too, you will get 1% cashback, but RedotPay can give you some loans and you pay back with interests, which are some fees that you want to avoid. But unfortunately, RedotPay does not offer a button to turn off and decline the terms once you did already accepted it. So what you want to do is go to the home page, click on the icon top left corner. As you can see in the general section, click support center. After that, click help. Scroll down. As you can see, credit account, click it. After that, click credit account. From here you can find all the information about your new Reddit account. Scroll down. As you can see, did this answer your question? Select the sad face. After that, click send us a message. Once you did that, it will redirect you to a support bot, but we don't really need a bot, we need a human agent. So select transaction status and billing. Scroll down, click live chat. As you can see, this will request a support ticket for a real agent. After a short period of time, a real agent will get back to you. As you can see here, from now on, you can chat with him and tell him your issues, tell him that you want to turn off the credit feature, and you're good to go. This is a temporary solution, so in the next updates, I'm pretty sure RedotPay will offer a way to deactivate the credit account feature, but for now, you can use this as a solution. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.